Go yard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Unman, where we will explain about the role of Wali Songo. The role of Wali Songo is for Islam in Java. My name is Muhammad Sani Rasmetullah Gunawan.
My name is Yudin Braha.
My name is Naila Rasmasifa. My name is Nahar.
Histories record the role of Wali Songo, which consists of 9 figurines in spreading the teaching of Islam on the island of Java, called as Sunan, which comes from the word Susuhan, which is a designation for people who are
A brief description of the role of Wali Songo in the process of spreading Islam on the island of Java. Wali Songo defined as 9 guardians who spread Islam on the island of Java. Wali Songo began to operate to the 0 to 15th century, precisely when Sunan Gresik founded the Dakwah Assembly in 1404. Wali is not a name, but a nickname containing the symbol of a council of guardians. The number 9 before Islam developed was considered the sacred number. The role of Wali Songo and ulama is deliberately to preach, teach, and establish pesantren. Through education, the process of spreading Islam is faster and more successful. And rogues come from various regions to study at school or Islamic boarding school on the island of Java. After completing their education, they return to their hometown or other areas to spread the religion of Islam. For example, the Sunan Rajat Islamic Boarding School, which is still active today. The boarding school has given birth to many preachers who spread Islam to various corners of Java and even the archipelago. The role of ulama and guardian is very important in the process of spreading Islam, especially in rural areas that still adhere to the old beliefs so that they can embrace Islam. They use culture and art to preach, such as wayang and macapat that already existed. The religion of Islam, which is getting bigger one, the presence of the kingdom is also inseparable from the role of Wali Songo. Wali Songo at that time acted as an advisor. After Majapahit collapsed, the Demak Sultanate expanded its power to Cirebon and Banten. The Sultanate of Cirebon and the Sultanate of Banten is Western Java were founded by Sunan Gunung Jati.
Hello, here I will explain to the contents. They spread Islam in various areas on the island of Java. The method or approach to the community used is also different. Here's Wali Songo. Sunan Gresik. Sunan Gresik or Maulana Malik Ibrahim spread Islam in the Gresik region as Java. He preaches by way of association in society. Sunan Ampel. Sunan Ampel is also known as Raden Rahmat. He spread Islam through pesantren education in the Surabaya area. Sunan Giri. Sunan Giri or Raden Rahmat not only spread Islam in Java, but also to Maluku. Sunan Bonang. Sunan Bonang, also known as Raden Madyum Ibrahim, spread Islam through art. He created the famous Tombo song to this day. Sunan Derajat. Sunan Derajat or Raden Qasim used social activities as a medium for speaking. He is the pioneer of providing assistance to the orphans and the sick. Sunan Kalijaga. Sunan Kalijaga or Raden Masyahid in his preaching by using pulpit media, were to include stories about the teachings of Islam. Thank you.
The role of Wali Songo and ulama is deliberately to preach, teach, and
establish pesantren. Through education, the process of spreading Islam is faster and more successful.